There are many cleaning litter box products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cleaning litter boxes from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Covered Steel Cat Litter Box. Rating 4.5. The Woodag Cat Litter Box features a fully enclosed design to prevent urine leakage and keep your home clean. The pull-out stainless steel tray is rust-resistant, stain-proof, and allows for quick scooping and litter replacement, making maintenance hassle-free. Superior comfort and odor control equipped with a replaceable activated carbon filter on top. It effectively absorbs odors and keeps the air fresh. The enclosed design provides a private and secure space for cats, reducing stress and ensuring a more comfortable bathroom experience. Durability that lasts. Built with a premium stainless steel bottom tray, this litter box resists odors, allows easy water cleaning, and offers superior corrosion and scratch resistance. Unlike traditional plastic litter boxes, it has a longer lifespan, making it suitable for long-term use by cats. Number 4. Urpower Cat Litter Box. Rating 4.5. Made of premium stainless steel, our stainless steel litter box won't rust or get scratches like the plastic litter box does. And it has a smooth and non-stick surface that is easy to clean without leaving any smell. Urpower Litter Box with Lid has an enclosed design to ensure a mess-free litter area. Designed for diggers and high piers to keep the floor clean and dry. Say goodbye to scattered litter and urine spills. Featuring an easy-to-assemble lid, our metal cat litter box offers both fully enclosed and semi-enclosed configurations. One can provide privacy and prevent the smell from spreading, while another can promote ventilation. The top entry litter box has an upgraded filter pedal design on the top entrance, front step, and foot pedal. This thoughtful design effectively saves you time and effort in cleaning. Number 3. Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Rating 4.9. Our litter box adopts a triple-layer defense system to keep your home consistently fresh. First, the integrated ABS material prevents urine leaks and traps odors at the source. At the same time, the 3-layer waterproof cat litter mat, non-stick design, outperforms standard silicone mats by resisting waste buildup and odor absorption. Finally, the airtight waste storage, with silicone gasket, ensures smells stay sealed in, zero escapes. Enjoy real odor-free living. This box lets you track your cat's bathroom habits and litter use through the app. One-click cleaning can be performed through the app. The built-in health monitor watches how often and when your cats go. This cat litter box supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. When the trash can is full, the app will remind you to change the trash bag in time. Number 2. Open Top Cleaning Litter Box. Rating 4.9. Designed with a large, open entrance and oversized capacity, this litter box offers plenty of room for cats of various sizes, supporting weights from 3.3 to 27.5 pounds. Perfect for multi-cat households, its spacious layout makes it especially suitable for cats transitioning from traditional litter boxes. The barrier-free design ensures easy access and comfort, encouraging smoother adaptation. Your cat's safety is our priority. Equipped with advanced safety sensors, this litter box automatically pauses the cleaning process if any movement is detected, resuming only once your cat has safely exited. This thoughtful feature ensures a worry-free experience for both cats and owners, giving you peace of mind every time. Number 1. Automatic Cat Litter Box. Rating 5.0. Our self-cleaning litter box has a wide anti-slip entrance and a fully open structure, ensuring effortless entry and exit for cats. Our box open top maintains a clean interior and provides a safe environment for cats. Dual safety technology, weight-activated sensors, plus 3 high-precision infrared detectors pause operation when a cat is near. Instant response to cat proximity or movement prioritizes safety. Zactivate auto cleaning, schedule waste disposal, one-tap emptying, and track litter usage trends. Receive instant alerts for full bins. Note: 2.4G Wi-Fi only for stable connectivity. Litter compatibility. This automatic litter box is optimized for most cat litters like bentonite, mineral, and mixed litters, not for tofu/crystal. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.